Hello guys. Today we're going to cleaning this beautiful Kenmore 1802. For that, we're going to start in this part. Open the face, but put your left hand here and to the left. Now, for open this one, make sure you don't have cans there, okay? Put your screwdriver between the metal and the lip here and open like that. It's there. It's just maintenance. I cleaning already some time ago, but you can see how it looks. Maybe you had some problems with that. You can see how it's working. If you see there are like a black things, better take off that. And, I trying to maintain in the best way. There are things there. This part when is this the spiral, the bar coming here, that get a lot of dust. So cleaning. You can move the hand well to see if the very thin is smooth. After you see it's cleaning, you can put the grease. I use this one. Use for that part. If your finger can go there, you can use like a screwdriver or something to reach there. Go around. Now a little oil, and this one, the one you see is smooth there. That one in the middle. Use a drop oil, no more. Here too. This corner too. In the back over there. In this corner. it. And you see in this part too, it use a draw oil there, here. Take the excess of the oil with this cold coquito. Here too, you see how is the bar for the needle? Is that? You see how go a part two? Just one. Please don't go more than one. Cleaning around. This was a rescue I made a long time ago and was really in a bad shape, and how it works right now is amazing. All this working properly, you don't need to do nothing more. Sometimes when have a problem with the can or something, you can see the mechanism here is these little guys. They are really important for do the job, but the thing is get them cleaning and they work properly. Unless it's something, you can put a little grease there that can't make all the job about the stitches. Okay. Here you can clean it too. This bar, I didn't realize, and I really did it. This bar and the part in here, you don't going to put never oil in the bell, please. Never oil, never. You can put a little hand sanitizer, alcohol for cleaning some parts. In my case, this part. Remember, this is vintage and I need to maintenance once in a while. It's a machines forever, made in Japan. There are a part here. See, the manual tell me what parts I need to put oil. We go through that already. I think we never did this part. Isn't here? Oh, yes, we did. Okay, this part we need to put oil, but also I see when I clean it, we put in here the oil, but we need to put in this hole. Is close to the bell, but not in the bell. So is this hole is in here, next to this one in the middle. Next to that, there are a little hole there. You can put oil there. One drop of oil, cleaning the rest, and also that show me here in the winding the bobbin what we already fixes. Subscribe to my videos. You can see how you can work with your machine and fixes. Here say there are a hole here, there we can put a oil. Okay, more. This is the beautiful thing about this one, is you just pull like that. Oh, first let me tell you this part, for example. Here we forget this point, is this one. Like show me this one, is I can see there. Is this one. Take the excess. You don't want to get messy all the machine with a lot of oil, okay? Come this. Ready in this part. You can run a little. It's like a car when we put the change the oil. It's the same, just running. Okay, now we go to it off, and we're going to see how is the bobbin. We can start here. We're going to take the presser foot. For do that, there are a little in the back. You can take, and for be easy, you use push the thinness in the back tool and take the presser foot. First you need to put the needle up, okay, and take your presser foot. Take your needle tool, little screwdriver. This is in front for take your needle, and screw again for not going to lose that screw there. Take this one, and we're going to take these two screws. This is the multi-purpose needle play. In other videos I show you how you can fix this part. It maybe had some dents or something. I show you in other videos. Then you needle play, you checking, need to be cleaning. Now if it dogs need to be cleaned too. We're going to see how is this part. Take like that. We can take the bobbin and this part for cleaning there inside. Use these two black things. Sometimes it's not black, but you just push to the sides out, side out. Make sure the needle is in the high position. So you take this one, this one, and get like that. This thing always go the half of the moon, no? Always go like that. Always when you're going to put again, remember these two go in the bottom, okay? So no worrying. Now you are in this part and you're going to move the hand well with your right hand to move the needle up and down, and this is moved. Don't worry, you can do that all the time because you need to check in there are no threads or there are not something there. The idea is cleaning very well. So you come in, I see, okay, there are some things there. This is cleaning not a long time ago, so just I'm going to show you. You can put a little oil in your finger and pass here around this part. This part, because that is the most smooth. So idea is get lubricate, okay? When you do that and you put a drop oil in the center, you can put this one, like I told you, you need to always, the other half of the moon go to the left side. You see, there are no other situation. That means it's easy to do that. When you see this going is in this way, you can put, this is half, this is the other half. The other half go there. It's there. Now, after you cleaning this one very well, you can put this there. Now you can put your bobbin just like that. Is there. For take off again, cleaning that area. Take the bobbin first. Take the bobbin first. I do it many ways because really I know how to do all the time. So, but the idea for you guys is always take the bobbin case first of that. For do that, you're going to make sure the needle is in the high position. And you're going to see these two hooks here in the bottom. Okay? Now again, the two go up. Take this one, looking how it looks. And these two had these little buttons that go in front when you're going to put. Don't go into put in that way. These two wings go always inside. Okay, inside. These have you can move the needle back and forth for checking how it's going and cleaning all the parts. And after you get the half of the moon to the left side, and now you're going to put the other half of the moon like this. Okay, this is the way. This has two hooks. This no has nothing. Go like that. Put there. It's there. Now this one. How? No, for this part, please. This thing is like a wings. The wings go inside, and this one go up, because when you're going to put the bobbin, they're going to match there. For that, the part go up, and these two go in the sides, and this little thing you see here is going in this fissure here. So all had a way to do like that. You see, he entered there. The two sides are free for put these two, and it's there. Put the bobbin. If you don't see this is really center, you're trying to match that and move the hand well, and it's ready, and you can clean in your machine. You can put a little oil over here, since I'm going to let you with this. This is for the manual, for the ones not had a manual. Here they show where is the parts. We already cleaning the bobbin area. They say put a oil there. You're going through that, looking all the parts where we're going to put oil. The bars. This is for the feed dogs. This area is for move the bobbin. We show. This one is close to the plum, and here. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you to clean your machine. It's a beautiful machine. You can find the number over this part, but sometimes it's in the back, so you can check in. That looks like that over this part for see what number you had. They are too similar in many ways, one of the series 158. This is all guys. I hope that video worked for you, for your machines. God bless you, and please continue pray for the world. Bye guys, thank you.